In this House of Logic video, we're going to demonstrate one of the problems that you might encounter if you migrate from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and are using Hyper-V. Now, the problem that you're likely to encounter is after you've migrated that you may find that your virtual machines are no longer able to connect on the network. So just to demonstrate this, if I log in to my Ubuntu machine here and quickly try to connect to the network and access anything on here. So if I try and ping the gateway, which is on 192.168.5.1, then it says destination host unreachable. Now I can just prove that we've got an IP address here. So we're just going to type in IP address as a command, and I can see here that the IP address listed is 192.168.202 and 192.168.5.202. So it's on the correct network segment, but it's not able to do anything. If I also go and ping Google, so let me just clear the screen first. Pinging Google, similarly, does not get any response back. So that is sitting there. It's not actually even able to resolve the address. So this machine, which was on Windows 10 and is now on Windows 11, is thoroughly isolated from the network. The cause for this is actually down to the network switch manager. So you can go and find which network switch your virtual machine is using if you go into settings, and then you find out what named switch is under here. So for me, this is bridge network with wired in brackets because I've got two network cards on this machine, and I've bound them both into switches. But if I go in here now and I find the underneath the virtual switch manager, the switch I'm looking for, I can go into extensions, and the switch you want to remove, the extension you want to remove here is the Microsoft Azure VFP switch filter extension. So simply untick that box and hit apply. You may get a complaint about disrupting network connectivity, but it seems to be fine for me, and I'm working on a virtual machine here. I'm working on a remote machine here. And if I now go back to the host and we try again, so we'll try pinging Google. So straight away, all I've changed is to take off the VFP extension, and that's working. And of course, if I can ping Google, then I can ping my gateway. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So if you are upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you may want to go and disable the VFP filter extension within your Hyper-V virtual switch, because it does seem to have a negative impact on networking. I did investigate some other things to do with firewalls and so on and so forth, and network categorization, but it got nothing to do with that, and it was all down to that network filter. So there we go. That's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully this has been useful. Please like and subscribe if that's your kind of thing. Otherwise, we'll catch you next time. Thanks. Bye now.